Writing the introduction chapter of your dissertation is crucial as it sets the stage for your entire research study. Here's a structured approach to help you write an effective introduction. Start with a hook. Begin with an attention-grabbing opening sentence or a compelling anecdote related to your topic. This could be a startling fact, a thought-provoking question, or a relevant quote. Provide background information. Give a brief overview of the background and context of your research topic. Explain why it is important and relevant in your field of study. Discuss any previous research or theories that have addressed similar issues. State the research problem objectives. Clearly state the research problem or questions that your study aims to address. Be specific and concise. Explain why these questions are worth investigating and how they contribute to existing knowledge. Justify the research. Provide a rationale for why your research is important and necessary. Explain any gaps or limitations in previous studies that your research intends to fill. Discuss the potential significance and implications of your findings. Outline the scope and structure. Briefly outline the scope of your research, including the specific aspects or variables you will focus on. Describe the overall structure of your dissertation, mentioning the main chapters and what each will cover. Highlight the methodology. Provide an overview of the research methodology you will use. Explain whether your study will be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. Briefly mention the data collection methods, sampling techniques, and data analysis procedures. Discuss potential contributions. Explain how your research contributes to the existing body of knowledge in your field. Highlight any potential theoretical, practical, or methodological contributions your study may make. Address ethical considerations, if applicable. If your research involves human subjects, data collection, or sensitive topics, briefly discuss the ethical considerations and measures you have taken to ensure ethical research conduct. State the hypotheses or research questions. If applicable, clearly state the hypotheses or research questions that guide your study. These should align with the research problem objectives mentioned earlier. Conclude the introduction. Summarize the key points discussed in the introduction. Restate the significance of your research and why it is worth pursuing. End with a smooth transition to the next chapter of your dissertation. Remember to keep the introduction clear, concise, and engaging. It should provide a solid foundation for your readers to understand the context, purpose, and relevance of your research.